Hi guys, this is Ola from CatPond, and I'm here to introduce the new mild project to you. It has been a short while since we completed our previous project, which is the radial engine using Inventor 2021. It's right about time that I started a new project. And what would our new project be? Here it is. So why this project? Well, this is one product which I can say that is loved by people of all races, colors, genders and all. It's very popular and loved. It is definitely something that I've always wanted to do. I'm only hoping that you will be interested in this also. Well, it is going to be a relatively short one, but I would also like to make it adequately detailed. It is short because it doesn't have as much parts as the previous one, but by all means I would want to give it the best shot that I can. So you might be wondering that why am I into a different software right now, which is Autodesk Fusion 360. I would say why. I think Fusion 360 is definitely going to be like, let's say, the future of Autodesk softwares for manufacturing. And also because it has a very good freeform interface. So I would be using Fusion 360. But despite the fact that the software has changed, I can guarantee that using the Autodesk Inventor software is still going to give you the same kind of product if you follow suit with the steps bit by bit, and that is that. So for this project, I've kind of tried to arrange the files that will be used. I would be using reference files for mine, but I also created a resource folder where I should be able to share a link to this folder to everyone who requests, so that we can have the same reference images that I would be using for this project. So what's going to happen is you're going to be able to have access to every single one of these files, and from then you should be able to also use the same files to create your own parts. Alright guys, so that's all for now, and we get into the modeling in the next videos. Hi there, if you liked this video, you can give it a thumbs up by clicking on the like button, and if you are yet to subscribe, it takes you just about 3 seconds to click on the button and select the notification bell so you get updates when new uploads are made. Alright, that's all for now. See you in the next video.